Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah, and whether you're a subscriber or a brand new viewer, I'm happy to have you, each and every one of you. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour through a store called Impress in the Seattle area. They have two locations, and this is the Tukwila location. They did their holiday kickoff, and I missed the actual event but wanted to go and see it while I was passing through the area. This has been one of my stores that I have enjoyed visiting year after year. They have amazing selection. You can see I'm looking through the penny black stamps. The paper brands that they carry are wonderful. They have their own brand. Their stamp selection is great. And they package everything in a way that's really handy for card makers. Small packages of embellishments, and you can buy cardstock in a very heavyweight. Oh, look at all the 6x6 paper pads. And this is one side of a two-sided display. They also do small displays throughout the store, so there's a variety of 6x6 paper pads in other areas too. I love their selection. They have lots of 12 by 12 paper also, but it's the 6 by 6 pads and the fact that they carry brands that I get really excited about too. So it's a store that's packed with stuff I love. Here's some really fun papers that would be great for art journaling or wrapping presents or maybe just card backgrounds. And again, I'm just kind of panning around so you can see the selection of stamps and everything. That back wall we're going to do a close-up on in a minute so that you can see the type of products that are sitting on it. They have stickles in a variety of colors, Bo Bunny pastes in a variety of colors, some Heidi Swap products. Look at all the colors of StazOn and VersaFine Clair inks and all the other ink pads. It's a great selection. Here I'm showing you, there's another 6x6 pad back there, but there's a bunch of hand lettering pens and products, colored pencils, pretty much anything that you could want. It's in there. It's just tucked in somewhere fun. I really like this store, and I met someone who was visiting from Spokane, so we were both doing the same thing, stopping in there before we headed back on freeway. Here I'm showing you those layering dies. They're so nice. Anybody that's used them or seen them knows how wonderful they are. They're not inexpensive, but they're great. I'll show you what I bought. Again, just some random things. I picked up the Authentique Companions collection in a 6x6. I say collection. It's a 6x6 pad. I shouldn't say that. A house is never lonely where a loving dog waits. Nobody can fully understand the meaning of love unless he's owned a dog. There's a lot of dog and cat stuff, some stripes and paw prints. And you'll notice there's not bright white in this collection, and that's something that keeps coming up, so I'll show you what I bought to deal with that. The pad is set up so that cats are on one side and dogs are on the other. That's why I flipped back and forth there. And the sentiments are the same. So if you're a cat lover, you'll just flip it over and never show the dog side and have more cat products, and vice versa. In my house, we have 2 dogs and 2 cats, so I'm happy with both. I liked that they were gender neutral designs. Sometimes I make cards for people who lost a pet. I do scrapbooking pages with pets. I just really liked this. It's just another Authentique pad that I picked up. Here we go. I don't have any enamel dots, and I thought I wanted some, so I got my Mind's Eye out of the Winterberry collection. I don't have any of that paper, but I don't need a lot of Christmas paper. And here I'm showing you the 2 colors of cardstock that I picked up. Date Swirl and Taffy, both made by Basil. I liked these colors, and they didn't have a full package in either, so I just bought the sheets that they had available. And they're a smooth finish. And I think they'll go nicely with the fall pads. That's what I was showing you there. and also things that don't have bright white. This is the Auburn Lane collection, an accessory pack that goes with it, with some enamel dots and sequins and paper clips. I don't know for sure I'll use the paper clips, but they're a pretty color, so I might. They didn't have the small pad that goes with it, so I picked up a few sheets of 12 by 12 paper that I will use at some point with it. A date with my craft room, Tasha showed this product line and I loved it. I would really like to set this aside and see if I can find or order the small paper pad so that I can make cards with it. But for now, I thought this would work if I don't get around to doing that or find it. I have plenty of stuff to play with though. That's what I got. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.